by using recurrence relation n plus 1 into Pn plus 1 of x is equal to n plus 1 times of x into Pn of x minus n into Pn minus 1 of x. Obtain the Legendre polynomials P2, P3, P4. For that they are given P0 and P1 of x. Okay, friends, you see this is Legendre's polynomial recurrence relation. That one we know. Okay, from that we have to prove P2, P3, P4. Generally we will prove this one from the Rodrigues formula. But we have to use this recurrence relation and we need to find P2, P3, P4. For that they given P0 and P1. So first you write down what is the recurrence relation they are given. N plus 1 into Pn plus 1 of x is equal to 2n plus 1 times of x into Pn of x minus n into Pn minus 1 of x. And they are given P0 is equal to 1 and P1 is equal to x. Nothing but in place of n they are given n is equal to 0 comma n is equal to 1 for Pn of x. Yes or no? Now I want P2. What I have to substitute to get P2? We have to put n is equal to what here? Generally for this one only I told you. This one only I told you. Now put n is equal to 1. Now if n is equal to 1, for n is equal to 1, what you see? 2 into P2 of x. 2 into P2 of x is equal to 2 plus 1. 3x into Px. P of x. Nothing but P1 of x here. If you put n is equal to 1. I will repeat again. If you put n is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2. This is P2 of x. This is 2 into 1. 2 plus 1 is 3x P1 of x minus 1 into Pn minus 1. Means 1 into Pn minus 1 means 1 minus 1 means 0. That is P0 of x. Okay. Now, what you know the values? P1 of x value you know and P0 of x value you know. So now you substitute these two values in this equation. Then you will have 2 times of P2 of x is equal to 3x into, what is the P1 of x I have? X. So P here x minus, this is 1. So if you simplify it, then you will have 3x square minus 1. So what you can say, 2P2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. But what I want actually, P2 of x only. So divide with 2. Then you will have P2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1 by 2. So now I have P2 of x is this one. Next what I have to find? P3 of x. So to get P3 of x, what I have to substitute in the recurrence relation? N is equal to 2. Okay. For n is equal to 2, what you will have? 3. N is equal to 2 means 2 plus 1. 3 P3 of x is equal to, this is n is equal to means 4 plus 1. 5 x into P2 of x minus 2 into P1 of x. Okay. Now 5x into, what is the P2 of x you have? 3x square minus 1 by 2 minus 2 into, what is the P1 of x? P1 of x is equal to what I have? X. Formula, general formula. Okay. Now you simplify this one. LCM is 2, you take 1 by 2. LCM is 1 by LCM is 2, so 1 by 2 write down outside. 5x into 3x square is nothing but 15x to the power of 3 minus 5x into 1 means 5x. Now LCM is 2 I have taken, so 2 times of 2, 4. So you will have a minus 4x here. Okay. Now if you simplify it, then 1 by 2 times of 15x cube minus 9x. Okay. Which value this is? 3 into P3 of x. But what you want actually? P3 of x only. We want P3 of x only. So divide with, I can take from RHS part 3 I can take common. Okay. Left side you have a 3 already. So 3 if I taken common, then I will have 5x cube minus 3x. So this left side 3 and right side 3 getting cancelled. Then you will have P3 of x is equal to 1 by 2 times of 5x cube minus 3x. So now you have P3 of x also. Next what you need to find? P4 of x. So what you have to substitute in this recurrence relation to get P4? We have to put n is equal to 3. Okay. Now for n is equal to 3, then you will have 4 into P4 of x is equal to, n is equal to 3 means here you will have 7 x into P3 of x minus n is equal to 3 means 3 into P2 of x. So to get P4 of x, we want P3 of x and P2 of x. Already we are done P2 of x and P1 of x by using this recurrence relation, by using with the help of P0 and P1. Okay, now if you are simplified, then 7x into, what is the P3 of x here? You have P3 is equal to 5x cube minus 3x by 2. Okay, minus 3 times of, what is the P2 of x here? You have 3x square minus 1 by 2. So from these two expressions, I can take 1 by 2 is a common, then 1 by 2 times of 7x you multiply inside, then 7 into 5, 35, x cube into x, that is x to the power of 4 minus, this is 21x square. Now multiply inside 3, then you will have minus into plus minus, 3 into 3, 9 x square plus into minus into minus plus 3. That's it. Now you simplify this one, because here you have x square term and also here you have x square term. So you will get 35 x to the power of 4 minus, this is 30 x square plus 3. Okay, this is which value? N into P4 of x. Now 4 you take left side, then you will get P4 of x is equal to 1 by 8 times of 35 x to the power of 4 minus 30 x square plus 3. So now you got P4 of x also. Previously what we have? P2, P3. By using this recurrence relation with the help of P0 and P1, we got P2 of x, P3 of x and P4 of x. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Thank you for watching this video.